Welcome back to Do-It-Myself Garage. I'm going to do a real quick tutorial on these switches. So if your switch was in the dash just like this, it's off. You can take the key out. Okay, there you got this little button here. This is how you get this out of the dash. You've got the big ring on here. You can't get this apart if you need to take the ignition switch out of the car. Okay, so what you do is you turn it back to accessory. So turn it back one notch, and I'm going to show you here. There's a little pin underneath there that you could only access from this hole when it's lined up. So you have to be in the accessory position. So you take a good sized paper clip so it has some rigidity to it, okay, and you push it in there, and I don't know if you can tell, but that's kind of spring loaded. You push that down, and while you're pushing that in, turn the key backwards, and you just have to get it started. And then sometimes it won't, the key won't turn because you've got the paper clip in there. But once you get that unlocked, just turn it the rest of the way and it comes out. So that's the part that I used to fight all the time. So you can see now, as I hold it a little closer, you can see this little button right here. And that's the trick to getting that out. Okay. The other thing is I don't know if you can see down inside of there. I'm going to do my best here. Down inside, where the key, there's a flap. Okay. When you get these, if you order a new one like I did, when you get them, that thing might not be aligned. So you're going. All you need to do to reassemble this, you don't need the clip to reassemble it. You just put it together, push it in, turn it, and now you're assembled. Okay, but if that little flap inside isn't lined up with the bottom of this key, or the bottom of the key lock here, you won't get that thing in there, and you'll fight it and fight it and fight it. So just get a large flat blade screwdriver, and all you do is you move that little flap till it lines up, and then she'll assemble no problem. Okay, so again, key off, key out, key in, turn to accessory, push the paper clip in there. Trying to do this without losing focus here. So push that in, you push that little button in, and then when you push it in, give the key a little turn, and like I say, it won't turn all the way. It won't turn all the way because you got the paper clip in there, but once that's unlocked, then it'll turn out. And like I say, down inside of there, I don't know if the camera's going to focus very well down on the bottom, but there's the part that actually turns the lock. It's turning the piece inside of here, and it needs to line up with the flats on this guy. So if it doesn't line up with that, then you're going to be in trouble. And then she won't go back together. So every time that I bought one, they wouldn't assemble the first time because that piece in the bottom wasn't lined up, and it's just a big black plastic piece inside of this one. It might be metal, but I just took a big flat screwdriver and just kind of push on it, and finally I got it to where it would line up enough, and then this just goes together, and then she's all locked together. That's all there is to it. So hopefully that helped. Have a great day. See you in the next video.